Find the density, mass, or volume of a solid. Pause the video and have a go at examples 6 and 7. Before we start example 6 and 7, we're going to go through some formula. We've got here a triangle which helps you to find out density, mass, and volume if you know the other two variables. The definition of density is its mass divided by volume. Density is a measure of an object's mass relative to volume, or in simple terms, how heavy something is for its size. So how heavy, its mass, for a relative or divide by its size, its volume. So density is mass divided by volume. The units then are going to be kilograms per meter cubed or grams per centimeters cubed. It's going to be a mass here, so grams or kilograms or milligrams even, and then divided by, and then here's going to be a volume unit, so centimeters cubed or meters cubed or even millimeters cubed. So let's have a look at example 6 and 7. Example 6. A cylinder has a volume of 3 meters cubed and a mass of 48 kilograms. Find its density. Now the definition of density is mass over volume. You may use that triangle, and if you're using the triangle, the way it works is you cover up whatever it is you want to find out. In this case, I'm going to try my best. I'm going to cover up density, and you can see what's left. You've got mass on the top and volume on the bottom, so that means mass divided by volume. That's another way to get the equations. So density, or D, is the mass M divided by the volume V. The mass is 48 kilograms, the volume is 3, and 48 divided by 3 is 1 and 6/16. The units are going to be dependent on what the mass and volume were. The mass was kilograms, so it'll be kg divided by, or per, comes from the divide, and then the volume is meters cubed, so it's kilograms per meter cubed. Example 7. A cuboid with dimensions 5 meters by 4 meters by 2 meters has a density of 6 kilograms per meter cubed. Find its mass. If we go back to the triangle, if you want to find mass, you can cover up mass, and you can see that's D and V beside each other, which means multiply. So mass is density times volume. So we can write that formula. Mass is density times volume. Now the problem is, if I want to work out the mass, I can do the density, that's 6 multiplied by the volume, I don't know. They didn't tell you that. Sometimes you've got to work that out first. They give you a cuboid, they give you its dimensions. You can work out the volume of a cuboid by multiplying the dimensions together. So the volume of a cuboid is length times base times height, or 5 times 4 times 2, which is 40. That would be meters cubed. So mass is density times volume, that's 6 times 40. That gives you 240. What's the units for that? Well, the density was 6 kilograms per meter cubed. We use meters cubed, so units are consistent, and the mass would then be in kilograms.